Good morning, everyone. My name is Sudha. I'm studying in LKG at the club. It was summer day. The crowd was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. A glass, a pot with water.
He went.
He went close to a pot.
He saw
He saw a pot
that there was
that there was very little water in the pot. He could not reach the water.
he saw
He saw that there was
some pebbles.
some pebbles on the ground. He got an idea. He picked up some pebbles and dropped them into the pot one by one.
He dropped it
He dropped four pebbles
into
the
the
water came up.
the crow.
From the water,
The crow
a crow, a water, a crow away happily.
Thank you.
Thank you.